Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make macaroni salad with fruit cocktail. First, cook 1 cup of elbow macaroni according to package directions until al dente, then drain and rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process. While the macaroni cools, drain a 15-ounce can of fruit cocktail thoroughly, pressing out excess liquid. Next, prepare your simple dressing by combining mayonnaise, a small amount of sugar, and a splash of vinegar in a mixing bowl. This sweet and tangy dressing is key. Now that your macaroni is cool and your fruit cocktail is drained, it's time to bring them together. Carefully add the cooled elbow macaroni to a spacious mixing bowl. Then, gently fold in the well-drained fruit cocktail. It's important to be gentle here to prevent the macaroni from breaking apart and to keep the fruit pieces looking their best. Ensure the fruit is evenly distributed throughout the macaroni for a balanced bite in every spoonful. With your macaroni and fruit combined, it's time to add that delicious dressing. Pour the creamy, sweet, and tangy dressing you prepared earlier over the mixture in the bowl. Using a spatula, gently fold and stir until all the macaroni and fruit pieces are evenly coated. Once everything is well combined, cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate the macaroni salad for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling time is crucial for the flavors to fully develop and meld together beautifully. After chilling, your macaroni salad with fruit cocktail is ready to be enjoyed. Give it a quick, gentle stir before serving to ensure everything is still perfectly mixed. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of paprika for a pop of color, or some fresh chopped parsley if you prefer. This delightful salad is perfect for picnics, potlucks, or as a refreshing side dish. Remember to check the description below for links to some great deals, including that awesome car air freshener.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.